every barbecue is better with a burger. So I'm firing up the grates with an amped up burger to say, bye grill, bye. It's my spicy green goddess burger and it is delicious. All right, so this is 80-20 chuck. What we have here is just salt, pepper, and cumin. The way I mix this is with my less dominant hand in a mixing bowl. I kind of make pitchforks and just kind of fold it together, not squeezing and mixing like I saw growing up. Now, on my grill here at about 375 or 400, over the direct heat, I'm going to add my patties. Now, I make 4 out of 1.5 pounds. You make them whatever size you want, but I think they're nice and healthy if you're doing 1.5 pounds and 4 out of that. To these, I'm gonna add a luscious glaze that's very simple to make. And before I make that glaze, I wanna show you what I like to do with my buns. All right, get them over the indirect side of the grill, right over here, okay? They'll get nice and toasty and warm while our burgers are cooking. So for the glaze that's gonna go on top of the burgers, it's a jalapeno glaze. It's gonna start with jalapeno jelly. So you've already got that spicy jalapeno flavor in there, but a little bit of sweet, so it's gonna remind you of barbecue. Into this, and it's my Green Goddess burger. So it's gonna be everything that you get from Green Goddess flavors, which is gonna be a lot of herby moments. That's gonna be some mint. So to that, some parsley, some cilantro, some dill. And this is just some scallions, white and green parts. I like to kind of chop it in half and then put it next to each other before I run it through that blade mill of our knife right there. All right, and then just get this right into our bowl. So remember, we've got the jalapeno jelly and all of that Green Goddess love, cilantro, mint, dill, parsley, and then just stir in the scallions. I like to come in with a nice pinch of salt and then hit it with some black pepper. And this is what's gonna go on top of the burger while it's on the grill. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, now let me explain to you. You don't press the burgers down, okay? Because they are friends with the grill, but you don't want them to be friends with the grill. All that fat just gonna seep through if you press them. Plus, just flip once. And if you're having trouble flipping, it means the meat's not ready to be flipped, so it should come off pretty easy for you. So I'm going to flip to the indirect side. Oh yeah, look at that. Now you can always do a quick check on your burger. It's not looking good, it's not looking dark enough for you, I'll just turn it back over and you're gonna get those hash marks right there. And let me cover it up with our luscious jalapeno glaze. Remember, just the jalapeno jelly, some jalapenos, and all those herbs that you find in a Green Goddess salad dressing, plus some scallions. Now, this is over the direct heat again, because I want a little bit of a red-pink moment on the inside, okay? Close this up, and I'm gonna show you about the other green we're gonna put into our burger situation here, avocado. All right, I love avocado in a burger. I used to slice it, and that's a rookie move. You take a bite and the slices just go everywhere. But if you decide to mash it and smear it into the bun, kind of like mayo or something like that, man, every single bite is gonna get that avocado love. Now look at that. How do we know it's beautiful? In the grocery store, you look at that little nub right there. You pop that nub off. First of all, it should pop off easily. You look beneath that nub, it's a beautiful green color. It's gonna be like that on the inside. I also like to just squeeze all of the avocado flesh out. It helps me kind of squeeze, and plus then I don't do that thing where you have to whack into the actual seed and then, you know, maybe cut yourself. I see a lot of avocado cuts happening during the summertime. So that's a quick little hack for you. Just squeeze it out. It comes right out. Look at that. All right, now, we've got flavor, salt and pepper, all that good stuff going throughout. You wanna flavor every single layer. So this is gonna go on the top bun. A little bit of salt never hurt. Some black pepper. Remember, the burger's got salt, pepper, and cumin. I love putting cumin in a burger patty. It just tastes like meat more. See, very simple. Just some avocado, salt, and pepper. So this is gonna go on the top of the burger on the bun. And speaking of the buns, let's check these buns. Now, I always make sure I aluminum foil and put them over the direct or indirect heat. You know, it only takes them about 10 to 15 minutes to fully get nice and warm on the inside. Look at those burgers! What? Okay, so we're gonna hook you up with the top bun first. Look at that. Brioche buns, nice and cushy and buttery, nice and warm, oof, and ready to get that schmear, oh, toasty, of avocado. Just melts right in. So I've got some pepper jack cheese here. I'll put that right on the bottom. You can do American if you like, but I think we've already got that jalapeno jelly going. And if you can handle the heat, why not? I mean, come on. And I'm gonna show you about that texture in a second. Oh, come on, come on. Really, is it a cookout or a barbecue without burgers? Look at these beautiful, beautiful patties. All right, I'm gonna get this as it's fresh off the grill so it can start to melt into that cheese. And you see how the architect knows what's going on here. Cheese on the bottom. Cheese on the bottom. Plus, it's gonna be a nice barrier to the bun because it's so cushy. You don't want it to get soggy down there, and that cheese is gonna really help you out.
Little Bobby Flay action.
Oh, she.
Little Bobby Flay potato chip action on top of that burger.
Oh, man.
Sonny, you love Bobby.
I do love Bobby. I do love Bobby. He's my at-work husband, even though I barely get to work with him. There we go. Right. Good juiciness. Doesn't get lost in the sauce, but so good. All of those fresh herbs are coming through, but it's the crunch for me. Jalapeno potato chips, pepper jack cheese. You see how juicy it is? Come on now.